Let's make pickled okra. Start by making your brine with 2 cups water, 2 cups vinegar, 4 tablespoons of salt. Make sure that vinegar is 5% acidity. Combine and simmer until dissolved. Then you're going to wash and sterilize your jars, rings, and lids. Next, we're going to wash and sort our okra. Get rid of those big ones like this. Those are too woody. The ideal size is these smaller ones. You can use the medium, that's fine as well, but the little ones are the best. Pack your jars. Do not waste any space. Like in this jar here, I can add a few more. We want to make sure those jars are packed so we don't waste any room, because Grandma will be mad if she opens up this jar and we've wasted that much space. Now it's time to add your dill seed. I started with a 1/4 teaspoon, but measure it with your heart. Put as much as you want. You can use dill weed, it's just not as strong of a flavor. And if you want to add any other flavors like garlic or chilies, now is the time to do it. The brine looks good. Go ahead and start filling your jars to a 1/2 inch headspace. This looks good, it's time to debubble. After you've done that, then you're going to clean your rims with just a wet paper towel and apply your lids and rings. Load up your canner and make sure you've got 2 inches of water above the jars. Just like this. You're going to process those jars for 15 minutes.